Okay.
Oh my god.
Your chair is in the way.
Slow. Go slow. Go slow. Your light is ridiculous.
They like light.
Dude, they think it's cars. He's gonna bolt.
Open up the door, please. Please.
No, I'm gonna do it real slow. Shh, don't shout.
Move. Quickly. Quickly. There.
Buddy. That's a male. He's got a mane. Pose for the camera.
At Work BC, we are helping businesses get back on track. Find out how to apply for funding to help you rehire your staff and
What the fuck?
Find support to train new employees
An
and
elk
upskill
in our
existing ones.
yard.
And post jobs for free using Work BC's job board to connect with apprentices and skilled workers. Adapt, rehire, and grow with help from Work BC. Learn more at workbc.ca/opportunity. A message from the Government of British Columbia.
Get a good shot of his butt.
Oh, totally.
Oh my god.
Largest certified pre-owned inventory. We finance everyone and rates start at 3.9% on approved credit. We also buy used cars, trucks, and RVs. Check out the new Glacier Honda online.
Come back for a moment, dude.
Whether you're a contractor, do-it-yourselfer, or business owner, Fred Hammer and Port Company is going to make a kid make a shop with their massive